Several industries have yet to fully grasp the pros and cons of automation, although top conglomerates have already branded it as a major disruptor. I got to talk to local tech firm MONST-ARLAB on just how robotics can help improve work efficiency minus the fear of layoffs. Take a listen. Back in the 90s, say artificial intelligence, and one draws out a picture of weapon-wielding robots destroying humanity. Fast forward to now, those movie portrayals haven't exactly come true. Yes, countless of robots have been built since, but not the destructive type. Allan, managing director of tech firm MONST-ARLAB, shows how automation can speed up the grading process in schools.
For example, a script that allows teachers to automatically send the grades of their students to the parents. If you have the script, it will be very easy for you to send 40 emails at once.
But automation goes beyond sending grades. It can work in accounting, payroll, administrative functions, and even banking. All thanks to RPA, or Robotic Process Automation.
RPA is a software that you can use for any computer users to actually automate repetitive and rules-based process. You can create automation scripts that will automatically do this, so that the 2 days we can cut it down to like a few minutes, and then we're done. So basically, it frees up the people to do, repetitive, laborious work.
But when workplaces got first wind of automation taking over, some weren't quick to warm up to the idea. BPOs, for instance, fear that AI will soon replace voice-based services. But experience has shown Allan and his team otherwise.
From our experience, there was no layoffs from the companies that we've automated. They ended up getting more work because there's a lot of work that needs to be done. So you ended up maintaining the same workforce but producing a lot more.
And it was for this purpose that MONST-ARLAB developed the software tool RAX, or the Robotics Automation Expert. It helps teams sift through repetitive and rules-based tasks which are better off left for AI to process. And with RAX, there might just be less Facebook and YouTube and more work done.
RAX isn't just about automation. They also help businesses and enterprises to monitor the activity level of their employees. So they get to identify when are the employees most active, what are their top statuses, and at the same time, whenever they are logged in at work, what top applications do they make use of the most? And most importantly, it gets to identify repetitive processes that should be up for automation in the future.
Since offering the product to the public November 2018, the company managed to hit their target number of clients, with one firm even saving as much as 40 million pesos thanks to automation. Allan says all that's needed is to get past the threat mindset over AI and seek more opportunities to upskill and upscale. Delos Santos, We Are One News.